I am going to make a sushi stack. I went on Amazon and I was going to buy a fancy stainless steel metal container for $49, and my wife convinced me to go down to Winco and buy some peaches. So I bought some peaches, we ate the peaches and we took the top off. I get the inside wet, and here's my fancy sushi stack. So I can say to you guys, for those that want to make sushi stacks, this is the way to go.
Okay.
And you don't need a lot of rice, so I'm going to do layers. So I'm going to put a little rice in here, not a lot, just to kind of build a base. And then I got my fancy, another, I don't know what this was, but just your normal size canned food. Look at that.
And that one has the bottom in it?
There you go. Look at that.
And that one has the bottom in it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This one has the bottom in it. Right. This is my
All right.
plunger. And then I'm going to take some this fresh crab mix with mayonnaise and put that in there. And I'm going to plunge that. All right. Now I'm going to put some more rice back in. So this is going to be another layer of rice, top of the crab mixture. Oh, looking good. All right. So now what we're going to do is take some cucumber, and I need to cut this up. We have some cucumber. I'm just going to cut it up in fine chunks. All right. I think that is enough. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this back out. I'm going to move this over. So I'm going to take some avocado, some fresh avocado, and I'm going to put it in here. And I got another piece here. Put some avocado in there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chopped up cucumber, put it on top of the avocado. All right, take my fancy plunger that I got at Winco and shove that down in there. Like that. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fresh pokey that we made. This is the, what do you call it, yellowfin?
Yellowtail.
Yellowtail.
And it's been marinating for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's basically some soy sauce, salt, some, what do I want to? Rice wine vinegar, some sesame seeds, and we just mixed it up, and some green onions, and we just put this on top.
Looks so good.
I should have a spoon for this instead of a fork, but I'm trying to do this, make it look good. All right, use my little plunger. And then, let's see how it looks. Sushi stack.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Rendesan.
Sushi stack.
That is beautiful, dude.
And then we have some sriracha and mayonnaise mix. We bought this. You can make it up to. It's not that spicy. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we're going to put some green onions on here, right? And here you go. Sushi stack.